Hello everyone. Need to find your Natwest bank statement on the app? In this quick guide, I will show you exactly where to access and download your statements in just a few taps. Now, first, open the Natwest mobile banking app and log in using your credentials. Now, if you don't have the app yet, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play. Now, once you're logged in, you can select the account for which you need a statement. Then tap on the statement options from the menu. The option is fairly easy to find. Let me show you where the option is. Like the here, like once you logged in, select the account, choose the statement options. Then select a statement you would like to view. Select export button on the top right and choose how you would like to export the statement. Now, now another option is that you can access your statement through NetBest online banking. Just log in here onlinebanking.netwest.com and then sign in and go to statements and transactions and download the PDF version. Now, if you need a printed copy, so you can do that as well. Now, here is how you can get a PDF copy. All right. So now the steps in here: online banking, mobile app. Okay. Now, if you need any more support, you can obviously download print your PDF statement and it will be a similar printed copy. Or if you don't have an access to printer, then contact them. They will print it out for you and send it to you as quickly as possible. So log into mobile app or chat with Quora. Here is the Quora. You can chat with Quora to and ask Quora to send a PDF. I mean, print out copy of your statement to your address. And that's all there is to it. Nothing complicated. Very simple steps. And thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next video.